We become what we are based on the opportunity we use in our life. Today I'm going to speak to you on the topic identifying opportunity. Every day, every month, every year is an opportunity for us. How we have used the opportunities can be seen in our life through how successful we are. Opportunities to be successful in life are coming to us more often than what we expect for. Many times we couldn't make use of it because we are not ready or we are unaware of those opportunities. Many of us wait for opportunities to come to our doorstep, not realizing that already opportunities are available around us. Now I'm going to speak on the two important opportunities traveling with us always. Number one, time. Time is an opportunity. That is 24 hours in a day, which was equal to all the human being. It is a common factor, but one who make use of it or manage it effectively will be successful in their life. Unless you have a clear idea about who you are, what you are going to do in life, you does not know how to utilize time or manage the time effectively. If you desire to start a business, don't look for finance, people, or environment first. Look into the time which is available readily at your hand. Strengthen the skills required to start a business. Learn new ideas and concepts related to your business. Refine and prepare yourself by making the best use of the time effectively so that you can be successful in life. So, if you wish, you need to manage time effectively, have a vision for your life so that you can effectively plan to manage the time. Number two, choices. Each and every day we come across different choices. All the choices are not for us, even though it seems good for us. There are good and bad choices available around us always. So you need to be clear about what you want. When you don't know what is your need, then you cannot identify your best or good chances in life. Clarity about your plans in life help you to know what you want. This further helps you to identify the right choice in life. Time and choices are always around us. Based on the vision of our life or the plans of our future, we can make use of it. So don't seek for opportunities far away. It's almost in your hands. By taking the necessary action of managing the time and identifying the right choices, you create the opportunity to be successful in life. Thank you. I'm Dr. Smiley signing off. I'll meet you with another new topic on coming Wednesday.